Whether you're new to woodworking or an experienced carpenter, a jointer planer combo is an excellent choice for those of us with limited space in our workshop. It can cut down on some precision but will save you time, space, and money. For most projects, a jointer planer combo is plenty good enough to get the job done. We're listing some of the best jointer planer combination machines available on the market today, with a wide range of options for size, features, ease of use, and price. Of course, your best choice will depend on your specific needs. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best jointer planer from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Jet JJP10 BTOS 10-inch Jointer Planer Combo. In this price range, Jet presents a highly reliable combo machine, drawing from the esteemed Jet JJP12 and compact Jet JJP8BT models. Consolidating the best features, Jet introduces the mid-range Jet JJP10 BTOS Planer Jointer, catering to space-conscious woodworkers. This benchtop unit, accompanied by a stand, offers enhanced versatility for small wood shops. Notable features include a cutter head speed of 9,000 RPM and adjustable sheet metal outfeed tables, accommodating larger wood pieces. A satisfied customer shared, for those like me, tackling projects sporadically, this tool is a lifesaver. It combines the functionality of a thickness planer and jointer while being space and cost-effective. Number 2. Recon Planer Machines. Recon presents a portable planer weighing a mere 68 pounds, packed with user-friendly features. Capable of handling wood as thin as 3/16 inches, with a commendable feed rate of up to 26 square feet per minute and spacious 12x14-inch tables, this compact machine suits the needs of busy woodworkers. Equipped with a dust collection port, a 2-inch cutter head spinning at 10,000 RPMs and 6 rows of 26 HSS inserts, it ensures efficient operation. Given its noise level of 100 dB, ear protection is advised. Each purchase comes with a 5-year warranty, ensuring peace of mind. Number 3. Jet JJP8BT8 Jointer Planer When Jointer Planer Combo. Combining power and precision, When offers its 2-blade benchtop jointer and 2-blade benchtop thickness planer, delivering exceptional performance. With 12 HSS blades rotating at 12,000 RPMs, the spiral cutter head ensures smooth cuts on softwoods. Boasting a cutting depth range of 0.18 inches and a rapid cutting rate of 20,000 cuts per minute, it facilitates efficient woodworking. Prior to use, it's recommended to remove the oil coating to prevent wood staining. A satisfied customer exclaimed, "The newest spiral head version is truly impressive. Setting it up was a breeze and I was jointing lumber within minutes of unboxing." Number 4. Recon 6-inch Jointer Planer Combo. Serious woodworkers operating in confined spaces will find value in Recon 6-inch jointer. Featuring 12 HSS helical type cutting blades and a reliable blade guard, it boasts robust build quality and a sturdy steel structure. Ideal for processing raw lumber, it includes essential safety features such as a spring-loaded blade guard, dust collector, and on-off safety switch. The aluminum fence, although susceptible to flexing, offers satisfactory results for squaring up short lumber. Regular checks for 90-degree alignment are recommended for optimal performance. Number 5. Porter Cable Jointer Planer Combo Machine. Porter Cable introduces a versatile machine with adjustable speeds, complementing the compact Weaver planer. Crafted with cabinet makers in mind, it features a long table and a center-mounted barrier, enabling precise cuts for edge, flatten, or face joint operations. With a cutting rate of 22,000 cuts per minute and a jack screw knife level, it ensures efficiency and accuracy. A satisfied customer shared, "I effortlessly removed 1/32 inches from a 3-board glue-up, preparing for crafting legs for an end table. The cut was pristine, achieving a perfect 90-degree angle straight out of the box." That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. If you want to know the product price, please do check my description for any kind of problem. and please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.